So this job is two large fish ponds here. The reason why the products were chosen was because there were some waterproofing issues with the existing coating. They had to remove the existing coating, use our products to detail the substrate and the floor-to-wall junctions, pipe penetrations, which obviously in the fish pond there is quite a lot. Then obviously the TREMcrete NWP product was chosen because of its ease of application, good chemical resistance, and it's not harmful also to the plants and fish going back into the ponds after the product is complete. The products that were used out here was the TREMcrete HB Ultra, which is a reprofiling mortar. That's used in the floor-to-wall junction details, all the divots and voids in the substrates. It's used to reprofile the substrate. So once a membrane is put on top, it creates a uniform coating. The TREMcrete NWP product is a cementitious waterproof membrane designed for your positive and negative waterproofing applications. So your tanks, OSD tanks, water tanks, also obviously your fish ponds. Because of its good chemical resistance, its ease of application, and it can withstand 50 metre head of water pressure. So for those type of environments, this product is very highly suitable. And then we have the TREMcrete Activator. So the TREMcrete Activator is a solution designed as a priming coat for your TREMcrete NWP and your MPR. So basically that product goes through a secondary hydration of the host concrete. We rehydrates those unhydrated minerals, turns them into a strengthening phase, and then also creates a chemical bond with those TREMcrete MPR and NWP coatings as well. Regarding this project, we'll start with the engineer and we'll talk about the environment, certain products and details, and go over drawings. Once an applicator has been chosen for the project, then Tremco will come out to site and support the applicator regarding surface preparation, application and curing. And then we'll go over the finer details of the project depending on pipe penetrations, maybe light fittings, floor-to-wall junctions. Once the product has been applied, if there's any issues that have arisen after the application, that's when Tremco will come out to site, provide solutions, recommendations to move on to the next stage. Basically, Tremco are providing support to the engineers, the applicators and the clients. Other suppliers within this industry obviously don't offer that service and support. So you've got to make sure that you're supporting the applicators, but also the engineers, because obviously at the end of the day, it's the client who pays for it, so they want the best job possible. And we don't want to come back because we don't want our products to fail. So if they apply correctly the first time with the 3 key steps, surface prep, application and curing, then very high chance we won't be coming back to the job.